Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to outline text in Google Docs. So first step, go to your text, select it and press Command X. This will basically cut this text from this document and copy it. So then go right here to Insert, click on Drawing and then press New. Now click on this text box icon and draw your text box like this. Then paste your text by Command V and then adjust your text box to your text. Then select the color of your outline. So I will select the red and then the weight. So the color you can do right here, border color, and the weight of your border, let's say 4 pixels. Now press save and close, and as you can see, your text has an outline. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.